Hey everybody, what we're looking at today is a 29-inch Emerson Northwind. Looks like any old ordinary builder fan, but the very small size is what's going for it. This is my all-time favorite version of the Northwind. There's the Emerson badge. Here we have the tag. This one's from February of 2002. The mini Northwinds came about in the early 90s. The first generation had the Alaska-style blade irons. Though they were not made by Alaska, they were actually made by King of Fans. Still decently made. Blades have a 22-degree pitch. So yeah, let's see what it does. There's low. I got this fan around Christmas time of 2024. I got it new in the box. Pretty average flow speed. It's actually a little slower than most 30-inch fans. And right now I'm already feeling a breeze. Energy factors, 0.17 amps. 7 watts, and 1/3 power factor. Let's go to medium. It actually does have some harmonics. It's about a medium pitch acceleration whine. .33 amps, 25 watts, 2/3 power factor. It's doing pretty good. Now high speed. Really impressive for a small fan. Fairly quiet. High speed, we have 0.47 amps, 58 watts, and a power factor of 1. And we'll turn it off. These actually lasted for quite a while. These moved into the Kathy Ireland rebrand. I don't exactly recall if they're still being made to this day. I actually have a Kathy Ireland version. Gonna do a comparison to see how that does compared to this. That one does compared to this. And one more thing. Let's see how it does in reverse. Not bad. I would like to do a dual install of these. And this is actually one of those fans where I don't really care how many I own. But I can just like literally put them up everywhere. Now that's spun down, I'll show you the box. This is the box for it. And there you guys have it. My all-time favorite version of the Emerson Northwind, the 29-inch blade span. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.